In today's video, I will walk you through how to add custom fields to Stripe checkout. When working with a Stripe payment link, you can customize the checkout page by adjusting the available settings and adding custom fields. On the payment link configuration page, review the available checkout options. You can choose whether to collect tax information, customer addresses, and phone numbers. If you need to collect a shipping address, enable the address collection option. You can also enable the option to request a customer's phone number. To add a custom field, locate the Custom Fields section and select the option to create a new field. Stripe allows you to create different types of custom fields, including text fields, number fields, and drop-down fields. Choose the type of field you want to add. If you select a drop-down field, enter the question or label you want customers to answer. Then, add the options that will appear in the drop-down menu. Continue entering the choices you want customers to select from. You can add multiple options to the list based on the information you want to collect. After creating the field, decide whether it should be required or optional. If you want customers to be able to complete checkout without filling out the field, mark it as optional. If you want every customer to provide a response, leave it as required. Once the field is configured, review the checkout preview. The custom field will appear on the checkout page and will be presented to customers during the payment process. If you need to collect additional information, repeat the process and add more custom fields. You're not limited to a single field, so you can create multiple fields as needed. Continue reviewing the other available checkout settings. You can enable promotional codes if you want customers to have the ability to enter a code during checkout. You can also allow businesses to provide their tax information. Next, find the option to save payment details for future use. Enable this setting if you want payment information to be stored with the customer record after a purchase is completed. Once you've finished configuring your custom fields and other checkout options, review the checkout page one final time to make sure everything appears as expected. When you're satisfied with the setup, create the payment link. After the link is generated, it will be available for you to use. That's all there is to it. Your Stripe checkout page will now include the custom fields you've added, along with any other checkout options you enabled during setup. Thank you for watching.